Welcome to today's episode of Tech Trends, where we dive into the intersection of technology and innovation. Today, we're exploring an exciting new extension for PostgreSQL called pgai. So get ready to learn how pgai is simplifying AI application development, making it more accessible and efficient for developers. Now, let's start by breaking down what pgai actually is. Imagine having the ability to leverage your data directly within your existing database environment. Sounds pretty nifty, right? Well, pgai allows just that. It streamlines working with AI workflows by providing robust support for things like embeddings and semantic search, all while utilizing your existing PostgreSQL setup. You might be wondering, what are embeddings? Well, think of embeddings as a way to convert data into a format that AI can understand, almost like translating a book into a language that a computer can read and interpret. This means you can easily analyze and retrieve insights from your data using AI, essentially giving PostgreSQL that extra edge to interact intelligently with data. And here's where it gets particularly interesting. pgai supports Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG for short. This technology allows AI models to reference external information when generating responses or outputs. It's like having a super smart assistant who knows where to look for the right answers, pulling in the necessary context to respond accurately. Imagine asking a question about your favorite recipe, and the response includes both the recipe steps and helpful tips gathered from various cooking blogs. But how does this all work? Well, developers can implement RAG directly within a single SQL statement. It's largely about combining two powerful technologies: the robustness of SQL queries with the creativity of AI models. For instance, one could create an SQL function to pull relevant content and generate a response seamlessly. How cool is that? Speaking of functionality, let's talk about the ease of getting started with pgai. You can spin up a database in a matter of minutes, just a few commands, and boom, you're ready to start creating and syncing your vector embeddings automatically. This is particularly great for developers looking to hit the ground running without getting bogged down in heavy setup processes. And what's more, if you're interested in experimenting with AI model integration, pgai works seamlessly with providers like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Cohere. Essentially, this extension opens up a treasure trove of possibilities for data processing tasks such as classification, summarization, and data enrichment, all accessible from within your PostgreSQL database environment. Now, here's a thought-provoking question for our listeners. If you could implement AI in any existing system or workflow, what would it be, and how do you imagine it would change your work? It's exciting to think about the potential for innovations in our everyday processes. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to summarize what we've learned today. We explored how pgai is streamlining AI integration for PostgreSQL by supporting embeddings and semantic search, allowing for easy implementation of AI capabilities right within database queries. This innovation not only makes processes more efficient, but also opens up new horizons for developers looking to enhance their data applications. Thanks for joining us on this episode of Tech Trends. We hope you feel inspired to explore the capabilities of pgai and think critically about the AI applications that could benefit you. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring,